us now summarize the idea given by Darwinism. Overproduction, capacity to produce large number of offspring, leading to competition, struggle for existence. In this competition, some individuals would have developed variations. These variations can be favorable in the sense they help the organism to increase its chances of survival in the struggle for existence, or these variations may be unfavorable, may not help the organism in its struggle for existence, or there may not be any variations. May not be any variations. In the organisms that have developed favorable variations, there is natural selection, and this natural selection leads to survival of the fittest, variations becoming established in the population, and ultimately it may result in the formation of new species. Whereas in those organisms which do not develop variations, or which have developed unfavorable variations, no question of natural selection, and these organisms get eliminated in the struggle for existence. So this is the summary of Darwinism. Darwinism gradually became popular because it gives a very satisfactory explanation for the possible mechanism of evolution. However, scientists found a serious drawback in Darwinism, and that was that Darwin could not explain the source of variations. Darwin said some organisms develop variations, and if the variations happen to be favorable, natural selection operates. But how these variations are caused. He could not explain. Therefore, there is a common saying which goes with Darwinism, that Darwin could explain survival of fittest, but not their arrival. He could explain survival of the fittest but not their arrival. That means he could not explain the source of variations, because when he published this book in 1859, the mechanism of inheritance was being experimented by Mendel. Mendel published his ideas in 1864. Probably, if it had occurred a little earlier, Darwin could have explained the source of variations. So this is the drawback in Darwinism.